Hello students, today I am going to teach you second order differentiation. Since first order differentiation you have done in class 11, so it will be easier for you. Okay, first you see the notations. These you know, y1 means dy dx, y2 means dy dx2 means second order, and these are the formulas you have to learn. The rest of the formulas are same as it was in class 11. Okay, now see question number 1. That is the simple one. Find d2y dx2 when y is given. d2y dx2 means you have to differentiate twice. First order means you have to differentiate once. Second order means you have to differentiate twice. So first is dy dx means first order. That means differentiation of right hand side. This is coming. You know the formula. And the next step is see this one. Differentiation of dy dx is d2y dx2. So that means you have to differentiate twice of the right hand side. So ultimately this is the answer. Okay. Now see the next one. If y equal to a cos log x plus b sin log x, you have to prove this. Actually, this is equal to 0. Clear? You have to prove this one. So, see the statement. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get successively. Successively means since we are differentiating twice, so that is why I have written successively. First is y1. Differentiation of y is dy dx. dy dx means y1. So first, a is constant, so differentiation of cos, which is minus sign, and differentiation of log is 1 by x. Okay, chain rule you have to apply. Similarly for second term, and after simplification this is coming x y1 equal to this. Next you have to differentiate. Now the important is differentiation of x y1. This one is important, differentiation of x y1. So here you have to apply d dx of uv. Okay, so u into differentiation of y1, that is y2, plus v into differentiation of x, that means 1. So that is why x y2 plus y1, and the right hand side similarly you have to differentiate. First differentiation of sine and then differentiation of log. Now see, that is the after simplification this is coming. Okay, and this term is equal to y, so put the value of y as it was given. So after simplification this is the answer. Similarly see the second one, y equal to x plus 10x, prove that this one. So first dy dx means differentiation of y, differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of 10x is x square x, formula is there. Second means I have not written, but differentiation of dy dx is d2y dx2. Similarly you have to differentiate right hand side. So here first you have to apply power form and then chain rule. So after simplification this is coming. Okay, now see that process. So ultimately after simplification here right hand side 2 tan x. 2 tan x means from here. 10x means you can write y minus x, so I have written, and then after simplification answer. Now your homework is you have to complete this worksheet. See the worksheet. Worksheet is given on first order differentiation. Okay, so first you have to differentiate this once. That means you have to find only dy dx, and then you have to find d2y dx2 of the above problems. So answer is given, no problem is there. In next class I'll show more sums on second order, and then I'll give you the worksheet. Okay.